Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson we are going to talk about the navigation. I'm going to show you how to navigate in the work area of the Illustrator. So here we have our artboard and we create all of our artworks inside the artboard. If you want to zoom in, you can use this tool and then click and move your mouse up and down to zoom in and zoom out. You can also click once to zoom in and then press on the Alt or Option and click to zoom out. Keyboard shortcut are Command plus and minus to zoom in and zoom out. Another thing that we have is moving your artboard around with the hand tool. You can use the hand tool, click it over here, and like this you can move your artboard. And also if you're not using that tool, for example you are in the selection tool over here, you can use the spacebar to temporarily turn it to the hand tool, just like this. Many times when you're working with Illustrator, you will have complex composition and complex illustrations, and you may have a lot of artboards. Because of that, many times you will get lost and you cannot find the object that you are looking for. For example, let me create another artboard. And I quickly create a rectangle. We are going to cover this rectangle later in this course. I'll just use this for example for now. And then I'm going to copy this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, move it over this one. Let's say you are lost and you want to find this rectangle. Just Command 0 and it will zoom in and fit it to your screen, just like this. Let's do it again for this one and let's go all the way down. Just like this with the Command 0, it will fit the object selected to the screen. Let me delete this. I'm going to the artboard and delete this one as well. Now let's say you have more than one project. Let's go to the File and then Open. I'm going to open this logo that I created. Now we have two projects open. What if I want to open both of them in the screen? Not just like navigating them like this. You can do that over here. Just click on it and it will open them side by side. And you can easily drag and drop files from one project to another. So it also takes a copy, not the whole object. You have a lot of other options over here. If you have more than one project or two projects, maybe you have 10 projects, you can open them like this side by side. Before I finish this lesson, I just want to explain what is the difference between the vector and raster graphics. Let me bring one of the logos that I have in the rasters, which is PNG. It's not a vector file. Let me scale it down a bit. Now let's see the difference between them. The logo in the left is made inside Adobe Illustrator. It's a vector file, which means no matter how much you zoom in, it will not lose its resolution. We can use these vectors for something small as the mobile screen or something very huge like the billboards on the streets. So vector will not lose any resolution. In other side, we have the raster graphics. This one is in PNG and it's a raster graphic. When you zoom in, you can see that it is pixelated. So this is a very simple explanation between the raster and the vector. The vector will not lose the resolution no matter how much you zoom in. The raster, it depends on the size of it. If you zoom in too much, it will lose the resolution. Okay guys, this is the end of this lesson and this section. I know it was somehow boring, but these are some of the main basics that you need to know if you are new to Illustrator. I promise you the next section will be more interesting. See you there. Bye bye.